Imagine being able to lose belly fat, stay strong, and feel younger with just 5 simple chair exercises, all without leaving your seat. No equipment, no strain, and no long workouts. Just 5 smart moves that keep your body toned, your belly flatter, and your energy higher than ever. And here's the best part. If you're over 60, these exercises could completely change how you move, feel, and look. By the end of this video, you'll see how something as simple as a chair can become your secret weapon to staying fit, confident, and full of energy. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Seated knee lifts. Let's start with something simple but surprisingly effective. Sit tall at the edge of your chair, feet flat on the floor, and hands gripping the sides for support. Make sure your back is straight. You want your core engaged the whole time. Now, slowly lift one knee towards your chest. Hold it for just a second, really feeling your lower belly working. Then lower it down gently. Switch to the other leg and keep alternating. Aim for 15 to 20 reps on each leg and repeat that for 3 rounds. The trick here is slow, controlled movement. Moving too fast makes it easy to cheat, and then your abs don't get the workout they need. You'll feel that deep, tightening burn in your lower belly right away. That's your core waking up and starting to firm up. But that's not all. These knee lifts also help improve balance, posture, and coordination. Even small, steady lifts like these add up over time to a stronger, more stable body. Here's a tip. Imagine you're gently drawing your knee up toward your chest with your abs, not just swinging your leg. That little mental cue can make a big difference. And trust me, after a few rounds, you'll notice your belly and legs feeling more connected. That's the sign it's working. By the end of this exercise, your core will feel warmed up and you'll be ready to move on to the next one with energy and focus. Exercise 2. Seated torso twists. Next up, we're going to wake up your waistline and work those side abs, also known as your obliques. Sit upright with your feet flat on the floor. Lift your arms so your elbows are bent, almost like you're ready to give a big hug. Now, gently twist your torso to the right, keeping your abs tight, then slowly twist back to the left. Don't rush. It's all about control and feeling the muscles engage. Do this for about 20 to 30 seconds, rest, and repeat 3 times. Every twist squeezes your side abs, helping to trim those love handles while also improving flexibility in your spine. And the best part? Twisting slowly and mindfully strengthens the core without straining your back or joints. Here's a little trick. Imagine wringing out a towel with your upper body. That twisting motion really helps you feel the obliques firing. Trust me, even after just 1 round, you'll notice your torso feeling lighter and more mobile. And over time, these twists can make daily movements, bending, reaching, turning, feel so much easier. Keep breathing, stay slow, and really feel each twist. This is where your core starts shaping that strong, supportive midsection you've been working for. Exercise 3. Seated leg extensions with squeeze. Now, we're going to combine strength and coordination to really work your lower abs and thighs. Sit up straight and grip the sides of your chair for stability, keeping your back tall. This is key to engaging your core properly. Extend one leg straight out in front of you, hold it there for a moment, and squeeze your thigh and lower abs at the same time. Then slowly lower your leg back down. Switch to the other leg and repeat. Aim for about 15 reps per leg and complete 3 rounds. Here's a tip. If you lean back just slightly, not resting against the chair, your abs will engage even more. That tiny adjustment turns this simple leg lift into a powerful full core workout. You're not just toning your thighs, you're strengthening your belly at the same time. This combination is especially effective for flattening your midsection because it engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Imagine this. Every squeeze is like telling your body, hey, let's get stronger together. And the best part? You'll notice your legs feeling firmer, your balance improving, and your core working harder than you'd expect from a chair exercise. Take it slow, focus on control, and breathe steadily. By the end of 3 rounds, your legs and belly will feel fired up in a good way, ready for the next move. Exercise 4, seated side bends. Now it's time to target those love handles and strengthen your obliques. Sit tall with your back straight, feet flat on the floor, and hands gently placed behind your head. Keep your elbows wide so your chest stays open. Slowly bend your torso to the right, feeling the stretch along your side. Then come back up and switch to the left. Move deliberately, no jerking or leaning forward. Aim for 10 to 12 bends per side and repeat for 3 rounds. Here's a tip. Think of reaching your ribs down towards your hips on each side. That helps you really feel the obliques engaging, not just the motion of bending. Slow, controlled movements always win over fast, sloppy reps when it comes to toning your core. This exercise isn't just about slimming your waistline. It also improves stability, balance, and posture, things that become more important. As we age over time, these side bends can help make twisting, reaching, or even standing up from a chair feel easier and more natural. And here's the extra benefit. It helps prevent tightness and stiffness in your spine. That side-to-side motion keeps your torso mobile and flexible, which makes everyday movements feel smoother. Plus, it's gentle on your joints, but strong enough to make a noticeable difference in your waist and core strength. The best part? You can feel progress even in just a few sessions. As your obliques strengthen, your body will feel more balanced, your posture will improve, and your waistline will start to look tighter and more toned. Keep breathing steadily, focus on your form, and enjoy that satisfying stretch on each side. Your body will thank you. Exercise 5, seated march with arm reach. Alright, we're finishing strong with a move that gets your heart pumping, burns belly fat, and improves coordination, all while staying seated. Sit tall, feet flat, and start marching your legs in place. Lift them steadily, one after the other, like a gentle march. At the same time, reach your arms overhead or punch forward, just like you're moving through water. Keep a steady pace for 30 to 45 seconds, rest, and repeat 3 rounds. The key is consistency. Keep moving, keep breathing, and don't rush. This is light cardio that boosts calorie burn and wakes up your entire body. You'll feel your core, arms, and legs working together, which makes it a powerful full body finisher. Even a few minutes of this move helps improve circulation, energy, and overall strength. Trust me, by the end of this exercise, you'll feel energized, awake, and accomplished. This is exactly the kind of gentle, effective movement that keeps your body young, strong, and coordinated. And that's it, 5 simple chair exercises that can help you melt belly fat, strengthen your core, and stay active after 60. No gym, no fancy machines, just a chair and a few minutes a day can make a real difference. Remember, the key is consistency. Start slowing, focus on your form, and keep going. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend who wants to feel stronger too. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more workouts and tips to keep your body healthy and strong. Your best years are still ahead. Keep moving, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.